Vroom, 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 vroom. What is going on, guys? This is Eric, Marcy Productions, and today I'm going to be installing a bunch of goodies on my Axial Yeti Jr. Can-Am edition. In today's video, we're going to be installing a bunch of goodies, so let me go over what I got for this bad boy. So start off, I got one part here, which is the rear axle shafts, which are these bad boys right here. These shafts go inside the rear axle housing and replace the stock ones. Next on the list, I got a steel rear driveline. This will replace the stock one that it has right now. So next on the list, I have two aluminum rear lockers. I have one locker that is going to be used in the front diff and one that is going to be used in the rear diff. So here's my car right now. As you can see, it's not very stock. It has some small stuff done to it. It has the front aluminum dry shafts. It has aftermarket wheels and tires, a cool little spare in the back, and of course the die and the sticker removal. But this is how it looks right now. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and start wrenching on it. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and finished up the rear axle. And the one thing to really point out for is these black little caps on the end next to that bearing. You guys really need to watch out for that piece right there because it will not fit in properly if you do not put those in. So the first time I tried to put it in, did not work out because I did not have those black spacers in. So take a note on that to make sure that you put it in there. But other than that, once you put those on, it slid right in and it feels good. Everything spins and everything's locked. Man, this thing is turning out great. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping it up because that is it for the upgrades.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so after a few hours of working on this thing, it's finally done, locked, and trail ready. So just another brief overview of what I did to it. I did the front locker, the rear locker, the steel rear dry shafts, the axle shafts, and a little bit before this I did the front dry shafts as well. So it's fully upgraded in the drivetrain system. So it's ready to go. So I'm gonna give you a quick example. Look at this thing. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. I just love all the bronze anodizing in every aftermarket piece. So it's really sick. Man, the build is coming out great on this thing. You guys may say it's a waste, but to me it's just a hobby. So I could do what I want with anything I imagine, which is cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I've done to it. And the install is very easy on everything. Just one thing I noticed when I was doing the rear housing, which I pointed out about those cups, or those spacers, I'm sorry. But besides that, the whole truck is really easy to do. Really easy. In total, probably took me a good hour and a half to 2 hours, but definitely worth it. So in the next video, you'll see it bashing around, and we'll take it from there. So with that being said, guys, it's been cool with you guys. I'll keep posting every so often, keep you guys posted. But that's it for now. All right, guys, RC Productions out. Peace.